Fáilte roimh arás. Welcome back. Follow me, Mish Gaeilge. Let's learn Irish. Section 4, An Ghaeltacht The Gaeltacht, or the Irish-speaking areas, with a focus on thabhairt speaking. Lamuna, Ola's faoin na ceantar Gaeltachta. Information about the Gaeltacht areas. An Ghaeltacht. Chúla tú riamh faoin Gaeltacht. Have you ever heard of the Gaeltacht? An bhualadh isagad cá bhfuil an na ceantar Gaeltachta. Do you know where the Gaeltacht areas are? An raibh tú riamh in ein ceantar Gaeltachta. Have you ever been to a Gaeltacht area? If so, cá háit? Which place? Cad a cheap tú faoi? What did you think of it? Thug tú ein nis speisialta faoi dara? Did you notice anything special about the place? Activity, you'll need your Bualadh handout. An Ghaeltacht, Irish-speaking areas. Cá bhfuil an Ghaeltacht? Where is the Gaeltacht? So the Gaeltacht are the Irish-speaking areas in Ireland. And you'll see they're laid out here on the map in the shaded areas. Starting up north, we have the Donegal, or Ulster Gaeltacht area, up near Gweedore and Glencolumkill. Heading southwest, we have Carhuhaig, and then on Carrua, on Spadale, na Hill Aran, all in the Connacht, Galway area, the Connacht Gaeltacht. Heading further south, we have Kirkaglina, Dunqueen, and Dangan, so Dingle, Dunquin, the Kerry Gaeltacht area, and to the east of that we have the Cork area, where we have Iarthar, West Cork, Ballyvourney, Vale O'Hangary, and then further east over in Waterford we have Unrin, and then up in the middle of Westmeath we have Rathcarn. So these are the Irish-speaking areas where Irish is the daily language in the households. And along with these Gaeltacht areas, we have Canúntaí, and Canúnts are the dialects. So in Irish, we have three main dialects. Tá three of Canúint in Éireann. Canúint Ola, the Ulster dialect, Canúint Connacht, the Connacht dialect, and Canúint na Muin. And we've already come across this in the way we've learned our greetings. Caidé mar atá tú would be heard in Ulster or Ola, Canúint Ola. Cén chuí a bhfuil tú is Canúint Connacht. You'd hear that predominantly in the Galway and Connemara areas. And Conas tá tú, Canúint na Muin, Munster Irish, down in Cork, Kerry, and Waterford. For this activity, you'll need the handout An Ghaeltacht, Irish-speaking areas, Ceantar agus Canúntaí, districts and dialects. So looking at your handout, An Ghaeltacht, Ceantar agus Canúntaí, the areas and the canúns. An féidir leat na Ceantar Gaeltachta chuí a nasca leis an ganún chuí. Can you match the Gaeltacht areas with the correct canúns or the correct dialects? So over here on the left we have the Canúint, Canúint Ola, Canúint Connacht, Canúint na Muin, and then on the right we have Ceantar Gaeltachta, Bailte Gaeltachta. So the Gaeltacht areas or the Gaeltacht towns. So use your map, looking at your map, see if you can match up the towns and the areas listed on that map of the Gaeltachts with the various canúns. An Ghaeltacht, Ceantar agus Canúntaí. An féidir leat na Ceantar Gaeltachta chuí a nasca leis an ganún chuí. So filling in the Gaeltacht areas and the Gaeltacht towns with the appropriate canún. So the fragri, the answers, so canún Ulla, the Ulster dialect, we have Glan Colum Kill, Guidor, agus Béal Ferrishtha. Canún Connacht, we have Caru Haig, An Caharua, Gailge, An Spidéal, na Hilla an Áran. Canún na Muin, Curcagine, Dunchin, An Daoine, Iarchurki, Muscree, Ballyvoorne, Coolé, Bualadh An Ghaeltacht agus An Rin. An Ghaeltacht. So in this section we learned about An Ghaeltacht, the Irish-speaking areas in Ireland. We learned a little ólas faoin na ceantar Gaeltachta, a little ólas, a little information, an introduction to the Gaeltacht areas. Lecture notes and worksheets to accompany the course are available, along with audio files and links to Quizlet flashcards and study tools. Original files are available to download at Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge's website, or edited versions can be found at simplyjacintha.com, links in the description box below. Míle buíochas de Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge as cead a thuairt úsáid a bhaint as na háiseanna closamhairc atá le fáil ar suíomh. Many thanks to Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge for their permission to use the learning resources that are available on their website. Tá súlagam gur bhaint sibh tanavas. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Like and subscribe if you got some value out of it.